installation prep.
Alright, I got into the long range tank installation preparation page here on the drop box instructions. So I've gone ahead and riveted these 4 ribs I was holding off on. So basically I didn't rivet these 2 holes here on ribs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is rib 12. I didn't rivet the top or the bottom holes. And then here on rib 11, or just next to rib 11 where these gold clecos are, these 4 holes we need to enlarge to 5.5 millimeter, and bolts will go through those holes to hold on the long range tank. So let's go ahead and enlarge those to 5.5 millimeter.